talk about easy, this is the easiest houseplant that you can grow. This is Amaryllis, and what you can see is the bulb is actually coated in wax. This is the true no water flower. All you have to do is take it out of this box, put it in bright indirect light, and watch it bloom. And the flowers last for weeks. If this doesn't fit your needs, then get one that's wrapped in a sock. How cute is that? Truthfully, Amaryllis is a beautiful flower that's perfect for the holidays.